How to fix IDM 403 forbidden error. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix IDM 403 forbidden error. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Internet Download Manager. Now, you want to click on Options. Here, select proxy/socks. Now, uncheck the box that says use proxy socks from browser's request if there are download errors for the downloads intercepted from the browser option. Once you uncheck it, click on OK. Now try to download it. If you're still facing the issue, click on the help option at the top. Now select check for updates. If there is any updates available, update this to the latest version. Now if you're still facing issue, you simply want to uninstall and reinstall this app. For that, click on the search bar and search add or remove programs. Find IDM, then click on the three dots, select uninstall. Once it has been uninstalled, open up any web browser, search Internet Download Manager, and then simply download it from here, then install it. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.